Pasko na naman. Lalakas ang bentahan sa negosyo. Palamig ka muna kapag stress sa negosyo. Let's sing and dance this Christmas. Ang hariang negosyo. At ang hariang Paskong Pinoy. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning businesses of the King of Philippine Business. With your Denver Ninong Castro as Henry C. And a special guest Benny Kenny as How C. Mari Chan. Ang dala Wang Padrino ng Pasko sa SM. Studying Henry C's SM ice skating businesses and his business connection with How C. Mari Chan. In SM Supermulsimo cast on Ninong TV Facebook and YouTube December 25, 2023. Henry C. the King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.
What's up to all of you, and this is your Denver Ninong Castro. Welcome to Ninong TV. You're live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers once again. This is another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business, Mr. Henry C. Akala nyo, ending na tayo? Well, meron pa po. Yes, before we end this year, syempre bibigyan namin tayo ng isang magandang slide na magiging memorable. Dahil December na at saktong-sakto sa ating mga manonood, this will be connected sa ating viewer. Dahil isa sa mga lesson natin ay tungkol sa mga per months, tungkol sa mga holidays. No? Ano nga bang ganap sa SM Supermalls kapag holiday na paboritong gawin ng Tito Henry nyo, together with the SM admins of the SMIC and SM Prime. At syempre, kasama nila dyan si Tito Jose nyo, na kumpare ng Tito Henry nyo. At yan ay walang iba kundi si Mr. Jose Maricha. Dahil ang vlog natin for today's video ay ang dalawang padrino ng Pasko sa SM. Okay, when we say padrino, it's Ninong, just like your Ninong. Diba? So, studying Henry C's SM Ice Skating businesses and his business connection with Jose Marichan in SM Supermalls. Okay. So, talagang winter to. Let it go. Ang datingan natin ito.
Let it go! Let it go!
Perfect na sa ating mga chikiting, sa mga mahilig yan sa mga pasyalan in Mall of Asia. This will be one of the tackling that we will have and one of the businesses na na-unlock na rin natin sa wakas na mapag-aaralan ng ating mga viewers. Sakto. If you will have your vacation and then you will back to school, kailangan ng research. Saan kayo nag-vacation? Sa SM Ice Skating. Anong meron doon? Diba? Dito natin ngayon mapag-aaralan ang business ng Tito Henry nyo in SM Ice Skating. Okay. So, ano nga ba ang SM Ice Skating? SM Ice Skating is the only ice skating rink in the Philippines aiming to serve everyone upon leisurely time on ice and providing avenues. Okay. So, dito lang po sa Pilipinas unang na-imbento ang ice skating ng SM. And then otherwise, some of the present malls ngayon ay may mga ice skating na rin. Pero yan po ay pre-provide ulit ng Tito Henry nyo para sa mga chikiting at taong bayan na naghahanap ng more services sa SM kasi nga, we've got it all for you. May shopping dito, may toys, may pagkain, ice skating, meron kayo. Meron po yan. Yan po ay regalo sa inyo ng Tito Henry nyo, the SM Ice Skating. So, we will discover the ice skate first. the production before Jose Marichan, and we will have the special guest. So, malalaman natin yan for the next slide. Okay, just discover the ice skating. Share ko lang sa inyo. Last 2008, ang ninong nyo ay nakaranas na rin ng ice skating dyan together with my family and friends. And that was many years ago. Medyo hindi ako ma-millennial ng mga panahon na yun kasi medyo bagets pa ako. Hindi ako gaano naka-selfie that time, but I remember we have a very special guest na naglibre pa sa amin. Special shout out to you, Miss Ate Glo. Yung interpersonate ni Miss Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Si Ate Glo, sana po napapanood niyo ako. Ako po si Denver, na anak po ni Miss Vivian, na naging friend niyo po. So, she's a celebrity na nakasama namin in the ice skate. And luckily, kasi yung friend ni Mami ay friend din ni Miss Ate Glo. So, parang nagkaroon sila ng meeting that time in the MOA. Nandun kami. Isinama kami sa isang ice skate that time. And we also have the friend, the family. Diba? So, Ate Glo, kung nanonood ka man, so, hopefully we meet again. That was 2008 ago. Napakatagal na panahon na yun. Naalala ko, first time ko mag-let it go. Nag-i-snow pa noon. Ayun nga lang, dahil first time, syempre hindi ko maiwasan madulas. Ay, talagang lumilipad ang ninong yun nung time na yun. Kinabukasan, medyo masakit ang balakang ko. Kailangan ko mag-wheelchair. Okay. But anyway, it's only a matter of 3 days after naman nun. Okay na. So, but anyway, nag-enjoy ako nung time na yun. Feeling ko nasa totoong snow ako. Diba? So, makikita mo doon in the Mall of Asia. I think meron pa ata yun ngayon. In the ice skate of MOA. And then some of the big malls of SM ay tinatayo na rin ng ice skate para ma-enjoy ng ating mga consumers. Diba? So, today, we will have the special guest that will be role as Mr. Jose Marichan. Yan naman ay business partner din ng Tito Henry nyo for through the years. Pag Pasko sa SM, ang lagi nating naririnig, si Jose Marichan. O yung mga kanta niya, yung lalong-lalo na yung basic niyang kanta, yung Christmas in Our Hearts. Diba? So, Jose Marichan is a Filipino singer, songwriter, businessman, and TV presenter. Regarded as one of the country's most renowned balladeers and composers, he is a popularly dubbed as the King of Philippine Christmas Carols. So kung meron tayong King of Philippine Business, ito, King of Philippine Christmas Carol, Hari ng Pasko. Diba? So, ang Tito Henry nyo, laging kasama to si Jose Marichan, lalong-lalo na pag Pasko. Talagang mag-partner tong dalawa. And we will have a very special guest na makakasama natin ngayon to give us the business lesson and guidance, Mr. Benny Kenny. So, siya po, si Lolo Benny, our neighbor, at best friend din po ng aking Lolo Pong. So, Lolo Benny, the stage is yours as Mr. Jose Marichan, and to give us the slides of Jose, the businesses, the services, what he did to the nation, bukod sa siya yung pangpasko natin, ano ba yung pwede niya pang gawin sa ating Philippine country.
Nagsasalita ko.
Opo.
Ah.
Yung nasabi niyo po kanina, yung magtiwala.
Prayer.
Yeah, prayer. Then,
Prayer lang. Yun ang pinakamaganda.
magandang success for business.
No.
Opo. Tsaka,
Without prayer, nothing is nothing.
yes. Opo. That's good po. Yan.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Okay, you've just witnessed Jose Marichan in businesses. No? Kung sino po ba si Tito Jose natin, what he did to serve our nation and to give us a great service, not only in Christmas, but he also served for business, for financial, for people, for serving our economy. Diba? So talagang yan naman din ay isa rin sa mga misyon ni Mr. Jose Marichan that to help our nation. And share ko lang, ito na naman, share na naman ng ninong nyo. Last 2007, way back in SM Bacoor, you know, dahil noon pa man idol ko na si Mr. Jose Marichan. Magkikita na sana kami that time. Dahil nabalitaan ko nung time din na nag-SM Bacoor kami ni Daddy, in 2007, may parang poster doon sa entrance na si Jose Marichan ay darating that time. And then, syempre, kumain kami, nag-shopping muna. Pero, ako masyadong excited. Nung time na yon, pumunta kami doon sa yung parang stage nila, yung parang concert hall, kung saan dumarating yung mga artista. Nakita ni Daddy, iba yung nag-host or iba yung bida. Akala niya si Jose Marichan. O hindi namin alam, yung kumakanta doon na Amerikano ata yun is yung host or MC. Nagkakanta-kanta lang parang na-presentation. Nainip ang aking daddy. Umuwi na kami agad, sayang. So that time dapat makikita ko na si Jose Marichan. So sana, special shout out also Mr. Jose Marichan. If you're watching this vlog, I want to meet you in personal. I want to have a selfie to you, to have a video vlog like this, no? Talagang your songs talagang tinutugtog ko yan every Christmas. Kahit hindi naman Pasko, gusto ko rin yung mga music niya kasi some of his song is very connected in our Lord and Jesus. Diba yung mga gospel niya, yung mga lyrics niya, diba? So magandang pakinggan yung kanyang kanta, lalo na yung mga love song, yung Beautiful Girl, yung Constantly. O diba, hindi lang Christmas song. Buma-Valentine's din ang Tito Jose nyo, diba? Okay, time naman po para sa inyong Tito Henry and Tito Jose to have the connection of their business and the connection of themselves, kung paano nga ba sila nagta-tie up sa services. What is the connection of Jose Marichan and having the impact in the SM? So, alaman natin yan. Check it out.
Come on and celebrate Christmas. Celebrate Christmas. In bright malls for all to see. Light up your Christmas with giant trees. Dancing bright lights, Yuletide balls. Celebrate Christmas at SM Malls. Let's bring
I used to roller skate a lot in my youth on Taft Avenue, Manila. That is the reason there is always a skating area. All my SM Mousy want more people to share my love for skating. From your Henry C. giving you my action of business for the people, and thank you, C. Mari Chan, for a happy Christmas that you've do to serve and to give for our children's. And to all ages my SM becomes aggressive when we're together.
Let us always share the gift of care, convenience, and comfort. From your Hasimari Chan giving you my action of helping and serving the people. And thank you also to Henry C. for welcoming me on your SM to give happiness to all people and its economy.
Okay, you've just witnessed Jose Marichan and Henry C. Na talaga namang padrino ng padrino talaga tuwing Pasko. Ang SM at saka to si Jose Marichan. Anyway, kahit naman occasionally in the summer, in the back to school, lahat naman yan lagi nandyan ang Tito Henry nyo kahit anong henerasyon, kahit anong okasyon, Christmas man, New Year, anything. Lahat yan, everyday service. Diba? Ito lang ang Tito Jose nyo. Sa December lang talaga nagpapakita, at saka pag per months. Pag January, itatago na siya. Iba, nilalagyan pa ng scotch tape. My goodness. Tapos, tsaka bubuksan yung bunga pag September. And anyway, Jose Marichan is really business connection with the SM Supermall. Aside from Christmas, some of the services, Jose Marichan becomes the models, become a connection of the C family when it comes to promoting. Lalo na, nakita nyo lang last time yung Uniqlo, di ba? Yung-model ni Jose Marichan. Tsaka nagmo-model na rin siya sa iba. Natas siya po, dapat ako sa akin lang. Nag-model sa iba. May racket din ang Tito Jose niya pag wala sa SM, na kay Shopee, na kay Ladies Choice. Okay. So, talagang multitasking rin po ang inyong Mr. Jose Marichan to give us happiness, at talagang super ageless talaga, no? Kahit nasa 70s na siya, bigay todo pa rin sa pagbibigay ng saya and service sa ating mga taong bayan. And speaking of service, eto na po ang ating isa sa mga main ingredients. If we feel blessed, let's bless others, lalong-lalo na ito si Jose Marichan. Para tulong din to sa kapwa. The CSR of Henry C. and Jose Marichan. What SMI Skate can do to help people aside from making a happy na tayo parang nasa frozen. So si Jose Marichan naman, anong tinutulungan niyang organization? How he help the people for his effort. Bilang Santa Claus, literal. Dito natin matetest ang kanyang give heart, diba? Give love, sabi nga niya sa kanta. Check it out. The CSR of Jose Marichan and Okay, thank you for watching and God bless to all of us. At dito po nang tatapos ang ating programa, ang dalawang padrino ng Pasko sa SM, studying Henry C's SM ice skating businesses and his business connection with Jose Marichan in SM Supermall. So, okay, maraming salamat. You may like, comment, and share and subscribe and buy this video blog for only 150 pesos and 80 pesos for screen record. Buy this as a special gift to your loved ones and family to discover the learnings of Henry C. and the great legacy of Jose Marichan in learning the Christmas lessons of the Philippines and even worldwide. Maraming salamat po and happy holidays sa ating lahat. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Always remember, ang Pasko ay hindi lang dapat tuwing December or bare months celebrate. It should be every day because Jesus is our Christmas. The Lord gives Jesus to give peace, love, care, respect, to forgive and to give and to help others. Walang away, walang gulo, walang sakitan, walang inisan. So lahat maayos, makipagkasundo. Yan ang Pasko. Wala ring gera, walang kagutuman, walang problema. So yan po ang isa sa mga Pasko na nasa
Yan
isip
ang
dapat
tunay na
natin.
Pasko,
The
pagtulong sa
positive
kapwa,
way. Pag-donate, pagmamahal. Kapag araw-araw natin itong ginagawa, mas mapipil natin ang araw-araw na Kapaskuhan. So, we must share this lesson and we must be good for this one. Thank you, thank you. Maraming salamat po. And again, happy holidays.